So continuing with our triangle unit here, yesterday we learned about the exterior angle theorem and just how to classify triangles. Now we're going to learn two new vocab words, centroids and median. A median is a line that goes from the vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of the opposite side, which basically means it's a line that hits an angle. So this one hits angle A, and it goes to the midpoint of the other side. So D is the midpoint of BC. That means this side's equal to this side. So if this was 10, this side would be 10. The whole thing would be 20. So that is what a median is. And then a cool property happens with medians. If you had multiple ones, so for example, looking over here, a centroid is when two or more, so it could be two, could be three, medians intersect. So G is my centroid. It's where the medians meet in the middle of the triangle. So actually, if I had this triangle like cut out, I could balance it on my finger right in the middle. It's also known as the center of mass, because if you put your finger there, it would actually balance. And the thing about centroids is they always divide in a 2-to-1 ratio. What that means, if AG is 10, that's twice as big as DG, which would be 5. So if BG is 12, GE is half as big, it's 6. So you could always tell by obviously just looking. So let's say GC is 8, FG would be 4. So it's always a 2-to-1 ratio. So let's see how we could fill in some of the diagram below. So I didn't write out the whole question, but let's assume AD is a median and BF or BE is a median. That means F is my centroid. So BE hits the midpoint of the other side. That means this side's equal to this side, so EC is 8. All right, and same thing down here. AD, D is the midpoint of this side. So this is 10, this is 10. DC is 10. Then BF is 12. I want to find FE. Now you could look and see those are not the same size. This is bigger, and remember it's a 2-to-1 ratio. So this is smaller by 2. So I just go 12 divided by 2. That is 6. So now we'll do it with like x's involved, but it's the same idea. Let's go to the inside right. In this question, in the diagram above, G is the centroid. So right when I see centroid, I'm thinking a 2-to-1 ratio. Determine the perimeter of the triangle if it's an equilateral triangle. Well, if it's equilateral, I know this side, BC, is the same as AC, and that's the same as AB. So all three of these sides are going to be the same. I see I got a 9x minus 12 here, but before I figure out what that x is, or before I can figure out what that side is, I got to solve for x. So let's look at what they gave me in the middle here. They gave me part of the centroid is 4x plus 6, and part of the centroid is x, or the median, sorry, is 4x plus 6, and the other part of the median is x plus 12. Now remember, these are not equal. 4x plus 6 is not equal to x plus 12. AG is twice as big as the other side. So to make them equal, I need to multiply the smaller one by 2, then 2 to 2. That would be my ratio. So I got to multiply this one by 2. So 2x plus 24, I'm distributing, equals 4x plus 6. Now I just got to solve for x. So minus 2x, minus 2x. So 2x plus 6 equals 24. Subtract 6. 2x equals 18. 18 divided by 2 is 9. So x equals 9. So I want to make sure I answer this question because I'm not done yet. I figured out what x is, but it said, what is the perimeter of triangle ABC? So I got to find all the sides. Well, I know x is 9. So 9 times 9 is 81. 81 minus 12, I think is 69. Let me just double check on my calculator. 81 minus 12, 69. So BD is 69. That means this side is also 69. This side 69. Because it's an equilateral triangle. And remember, medians hit the midpoint of the side. So all these are midpoints. 69 plus 69 equals 138. So this side of the triangle is 138. That means the bottom part of the triangle also 138. And this side of the triangle also 138. So the perimeter equals 3 times 138. Or you could do 138 plus 138 plus 138. But I'm just going to multiply by 3. So it's 414. That's the perimeter of this triangle, and it's units. It doesn't say feet or inches, so we'll just say units. So pause the video, try this, you try, and then I'll show you the answer. So it says AC is 6x plus 6. That is the whole side here. BC is 6x plus 10. AB 2x plus 36. FE 2x. FB 5x minus 12. So I can't do anything with the sides because I don't know the perimeter, but I want to set up an equation to solve for x. Well, I see I have a centroid, so I know my ratio is 2 to 1 here. So 5x minus 12, so this part of the median, is not equal to this part. They're not the same size. They're not equal. The 2x is definitely smaller. To make it equal, I got to multiply that smaller piece by 2. If it was twice as big, it'd be equal. So 4x is equal to 5x minus 12. Now I can solve for x. So I'm going to just subtract 5x from both sides. So negative x equals negative 12. That means positive x equals positive 12. Divide by negative 1. So I got x equals 12. Answer the first part of the question. What is the perimeter of triangle ABC? Well, I got all the sides, so I just got to substitute in my x. 6 times 12 is 72. I'm looking here, sorry. 6 times 12 is 72. 72 plus 6 is 78. I'm going to plug it in over here. 2 times 12 is 24. 24 plus 36 is 60. And the bottom side, 6 times 12 is 72 plus 10 is 82. So the perimeter equals 60 plus 78 plus 82. Got to add those three numbers. Use my calculator because I'm so lazy. 60 plus 220 units.